So we want to start the United States naturalization process, but where do you begin? Watch along to learn the 6 steps to attaining U.S. citizenship. A great place to start your naturalization process is by contacting an immigration attorney to help determine your eligibility. An immigration lawyer can help you with the meticulous paperwork and documentation required to reach your citizenship goals. Once you and your lawyer have determined eligibility, you have to complete the N-400 form with a detailed personal history. The next step is to pay your application fees. The amount can vary based on your circumstances. After you've paid your application fees, the next step is to complete a biometrics exam. This involves taking your fingerprints and photos to be used for background checks and to verify your identity. Next is to attend an interview with a USCIS officer to verify your information and assess your English and United States knowledge. Finally, you get to take your oath of allegiance. If everything goes well and you've completed each phase correctly and promptly, your last step is to pledge your commitment to your new country at your naturalization ceremony. If you want to start your United States citizenship process, call the experienced attorneys at Ibrahim Law Firm today. We want to help you achieve your immigration goals.